Okay, I'm back here at YouTube, and I wanted to show you that when I say that you can basically find any niche, any topic under the sun here at YouTube, that I wasn't kidding. You can go ahead and search for yourself if you are a niche marketer, an affiliate marketer, if you're a Kindle author, if you have a blog in a particular niche, even if it's tiny and obscure, you're going to be able to find videos here at YouTube on that very topic. And of course, to do so, all you have to do is type a keyword or a search term in the box up top here. For instance, maybe you're a romance novelist, right? And you want to find some videos that other people are watching on romance novels. And you can drill down even further using the type ahead feature here in the YouTube search window. I typed in romance novels and it says romance novel trailers, best romance novels, Velvet Jones romance novels, writing romance novels. So you have some, it's already suggesting related keywords to this general search term, romance novels. And of course, you can click into any one of these and see what results that you get. But let me just click on romance novels and we'll see what's here. And these are the videos that YouTube is coming up with on the first page of results for the search term romance novels. Dangerous books for girls, the bad reputation of romance novels explained. Over 8,700 views. Looks like they got that up in the past year. That's pretty good. Romance novels are worse than porn. Harlequin's 60th anniversary cover shoot, 19,000 views. This looks like a blogger. This video is just called Romance Novels. Over 16,000 views, 116,000 views for this, which looks like an animated type of video. So as you can see, lots and lots of videos and people watching these videos for this search term romance novels. So let's try a different search. What if you have a Kindle book related to yoga, or you're promoting an affiliate product, maybe a ClickBank product, you've got a blog on yoga, you have a Facebook page that you'd like to drive traffic to. So what if we wanted to look in a different niche or search for videos related to a different topic? What if you're building a chicken coop, right? Or what if you had a Kindle book showing people how to build a chicken coop? Or what if you're promoting a ClickBank product as an affiliate that shows people how to build a chicken coop? Well, are there videos related to that here on YouTube? You bet they are. Let me go ahead and search for chicken coop. Look at the words that come up as related to chicken coop. Chicken coop designs, chicken coop plans, chicken coop runs, construction, etc., etc. Lots of suggested keywords related to this general keyword chicken coop. And there's lots of chicken coop related videos here. How to build a chicken coop. Over 250,000 views, 246,000 views. The best chicken coop, Wichita Cabin Coop. This was posted a year ago. It already has over 200,000 views here. The ultimate chicken coop, 395,000 views. Are people posting videos here related to chicken coops? Yeah. Are people interested in getting more information on how to build a chicken coop? Absolutely, and they're coming here to YouTube to watch these videos to get this information. Let's try one more niche here. What about yoga? Maybe you have a book in Kindle on yoga. Maybe you have a yoga related fan page. Maybe you're a yoga blogger and you'd like to send people to your yoga blog. Maybe you are a yoga instructor and you want to send people to your local business, or you have an information product related to yoga up at udemy.com or something like that, and you'd like to generate some traffic. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that leveraging these videos here inside of YouTube that are getting some crazy views. For instance, Jillian Michaels, Yoga Meltdown Level 1, over 2,300,000 views. This was posted a year ago. 20-minute weight loss and fat burning yoga workout, over 1,700,000 views, 937,000 views for this one. 42-minute class, Hatha Yoga Flow 3. Now look at this one. This was posted a day ago, 1 day ago. It already has over 7,500 views. People have clicked and watched this video over 7,500 times in the past 24 hours. That's awesome. This is exactly what we're looking for, okay? And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to leverage these videos and these hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of views, harness this traffic and funnel it to a web page, to a Kindle book, to an affiliate offer of your own. I'll see you in the next video.